Should you buy airline stocks? Why shares of United Airlines are falling today? Airlines are raising more money and the stocks are falling. Airline shares tumble as New York imposes quarantine. Florida cases spike. American Airlines is raising another $3.5 billion, validating Warren Buffett's decision to dump the big. American Airlines raises nearly $2 billion. This is why its stock is still falling. So, should you buy airline stocks now or later? Number 1. Airline stocks are consisted of Delta Airline, American Airline, United Airline, Southwest Airline, in this case also Boeing. Let's have a closer look at the American Airline stock performance from Yahoo Finance. So today it's not doing well. 5 days ago you would also lose money if you invested in it like 5 days ago. The stock price was around $70. Right now it's like $13. 1 month ago it was like $10. Half year ago it was like $28. A year ago it was like roughly $31, and at the time there was no pandemic. So from June 2019 up to December 2019, the stock price is also not doing pretty well, because on December 2019 the stock price was like $30, and 5 years ago it was $41. So you would also lose money if you invested in this airline stock like 5 years ago. So you would have less than half of the original investment. So let's take an example. If you invested in this American Airline stock like $10,000 like 5 years ago, right now you would have roughly $4,000. Same thing if you invested in this airline stock like 15 years ago. It's also not doing well. So let's have the market capitalization. It's right now it's like $5.3 billion, so it's below $10 billion, so it's not a large cap but a middle-sized cap. And the dividend yield, it's below 3%, so it's not that much. There are way better stocks out there which dividend yield up to 10%. I have videos about them, so just check out my investing for playlist. Let's have a quick look at the Boeing company. So like today it's not doing well, 5 days ago it's also not doing well, a month ago it's doing better, half year ago it's not doing well, a year ago it's also not doing well. So let's have a look at like June 2019. At the time it was like $375, and on December 2019 it was $330. So during this time where the pandemic didn't exist, it already didn't do well. So not convincing. Well, I'm not convinced to buy this stock. Number 2. Let's have a quick look at the American Airlines earnings report. This earnings report is the first quarter of this year 2020, which means for the month January, February and March. So for the first quarter, as you can see here, they mentioned they have a net loss. They lost like $2.2 billion. That doesn't sound promising at all. Let's have a quick look at the Boeing performance review for the first quarter 2020. So they have Boeing 787. Yes, let's have a quick look at their portfolio. As you can see here on the graph, their commercial airplanes makes up to 42% of the whole revenue. They also produce planes for defense, space and security, which means they have quite a diversified portfolio. Let's have a quick look at the earnings report for the first quarter 2020. As you can see here, it ended until March 31st. So let's scroll real quick to find their profits or loss. Oh yeah, here it is. As you can see, their loss from operations is $641 million for the first quarter 2020. Even although they have a diversified portfolio, they still lose money. Number 3. So airlines relies heavily on tourism, and right now in the States the pandemic is not under control. That's why right now there are over 45,000 more cases in one single day. So in the near future there won't be any tourism, at least not internationally. More likely, well, even right now, not that likely domestic. So better to buy stocks that even make good profit even during this pandemic. Just check out my investing playlist to find out which one it is. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming future investing videos.